They will eat it. They're curious enough. There you go. There you go. Take it. Come on, man. There we go. Nice little healthy bass. Let's do. Got one. Ooh. See, the whopper popper works from a different, or the El Chapo works from a different angle. Ooh, not that angle. Oh, I bent it. I bent the body. Dang, I bent it. Should still float or still work. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. I wonder if it's the same one. Sure looks like it. Look at that beauty. Whoa, I'm gonna fall in there. from the fall. That's a good sized one. Alright guys, thank you all very much for tuning in, sticking it out with me, getting this video put out, and pretty excited about doing this raffle. Got everybody's name that I showed listed in here, and we're gonna shake this up really good. Good luck to everybody. I will be doing some more giveaways, maybe a different way, I don't know yet. See how we do it. But if you enjoyed this one and like this giveaway or are interested in it, let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. These are just a couple of things. I want to see how my first YouTube giveaway, I want to see how this goes. But good luck everybody. The winner is Fishing with Papa Dave. What? Fishing with Papa Dave. You won Slim Shake worms, shaky head hooks, and this garlic fish reacting compound. This is stinky. I'm gonna put it in a bag for you when we send it out. And you got yourself this cool headbanger shad lure. So I'll get this sent out to you. You message me, get in contact with me. I'll get your information and I'll get it sent out to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great evening.